G'day guys! In today's video, I'm having a bit of a look at the Aerocool Duo 12 Pro. So let's crack it open and have a bit of a look inside and see what we see. If I can get this tape off. There we go. So inside we have one little hub, remote, double-sided tape, and also the ARGB cables if you would like to connect it to your mainboard. So this can support up to 6 fans. We also connect up to power via a SATA cable. And there's the ARGB, if you want to sync it up. The other connector, I'm not too sure what that one is. I can't say I've come across it. And we've got the extra 3, and we can also add some more RGB if you like. If you've got an RGB strip or something to that effect, you can connect it up via there. Now the fans themselves do look alright. The fan blade is decent. It's got a bit of rubber on the mounting points to stop it from vibrating. All 3, pretty much the same. Now these ones do not have a standard fan header. They do require to go to the actual hub itself. So if we have a look up here, this is where I'll be putting them. Right there. So screwing them in is pretty straightforward. The included silver screws were fine. And just in the process of wiring it up. So connecting them up is very straightforward. They just click into position. Make sure you do have them around the right way. But they are an odd 6-pin connector. So I'd say it's got the lighting and fan speed all built into there. So we just connect up a SATA. And since I'm not using any ARGB headers on the board, that's essentially done now. So powering it up. Does seem to cycle through a few colours to begin with before it settles down. And now I'm just going to pull out the remote and cycle through the various patterns and other effects that it does have available to it. So I did pick up these relatively cheaply. I find it strange that they're called the Duo 12 Pro, considering the fact there's a trio of fans in there, so it's a very odd name considering. But if you wanted to add RGB to an older case, and you can pick these up for, I think I picked this up for about 30 Australian dollars, which is not bad considering it includes 3 fans and the hub and the remote for it. So they're pretty decent value, pretty decent effects. So yeah, definitely worthwhile checking out. Anyway, I'm just going to keep cycling through the various effects here, and I hope this helps you guys in considering one of these. I'll see you later. Bye.